How you doing? My name is Wayne and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about Keyless Go, and we're going to do the same thing we did with the 2016 S550. That's a car that I used to have. If I still had that car, I'd probably be 10 years old now. So yeah, we're getting up there in age, but back then I did a video on how to start the car with a dead key fob. Now I have the 2018 Mercedes-Benz S560, and it's a little bit different. So I'm going to go ahead and change the view, and we're going to go over some stuff. This is going to be another quick and short video. Let's get started. Alright, we already went over how to get into the car if you have, let's say the battery in this doesn't work, it's dead, and this door is locked. I already showed you how to get into the car by pulling that key out and go underneath and sticking the key up underneath here and opening up the door. So I'm not going to go over that again, it's going to be redundant. But I'm actually going to go into the car, and I'm going to go ahead and push this back in, and I'm going to press the button. You notice that the red light's not coming on at all. That means this battery is completely dead. But what happens if we have to go somewhere and, you know, it's whether it's an emergency or not? But I'm going to go ahead, open the door, and show you what you're going to do. All right, so for those of you who've been with me for some time, when I had the S550, Mercedes-Benz S550 2016, this you were able to pull out and you're able to put the key in and turn it. Now, for the 2018, you can't do that. This is basically sealed shut. But how do you start the car with a dead key fob? The battery's completely dead, can't move it. Basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna open this up. You're going to take this key, you're going to put it into this little hole, like that, and you're going to go ahead and start the car like you normally do by putting your foot on the brake, and you're going to go ahead and press the button. And that message is going to come up, and lo and behold, the car starts. The same way that we turn on the car, we can actually turn off the car, keep your foot on the brakes, and go ahead, and we're going to press this button, and the car is off. So hopefully this video helps some of you out there that are in a similar situation. Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll talk to you soon.